I'm going to be presenting a hands-on course on immediate implants. I'm always excited to be educating globally dentists all around the world, so for me it's a privilege.
I think it will be very interesting because we are at the beginning, we can manipulate easy.
0.5 mm left. So 3 times scrutiny. So this patient will stressed out. So why? If it is very thick, just one.
각국에서 오신 선생님들과 함께 보철과 관련된 이야기를 하고 있는데요. 개인적으로 상당히 영광이고 기쁩니다.
I love this course. So those little points which can make a huge difference. So I think he's brought back all those points.
I am running right now the course regarding digital approach. It's always nice when you have questions and discussions.
Very informative lecture. We focus on that full digital approach we need to know in the near future.
The model and the kit is very organized. Most things are here in Korea. Very organized.
It's really useful, yeah. You learn, you always learn.
글로벌 컨센서스 미팅이라고 해서 국제적으로 저희들이 터미놀로지를 정하고 데피니션을 하고 그 다음에 어그리먼트 이런 것들을 정하고 있는 과정입니다.
Items he categorized into this slide.
Like each of us give our points.
This set is a primary stability.
It consists of connective tissue, and junctional epithelium, and circular epithelium.
We need to follow science, but also we need evidence, we need common sense, we need experience. So very, very important to put all together this information and at the end to draw some guidelines for all the Osstem users.
아주 유익했습니다. 전 세계에서 오신 분들하고 얘기를 하다 보니까 의견을 좀 듣는 것 같아서 아주 좋았던 시간이었던 것 같습니다.
이 경험과 이런 결과물이 많은 분들에게 도움이 됐으면 좋겠습니다.
1, 2, 3.